Aloha everyone! It is another beautiful day on the big island of Hawaii. Well, right here anyways. Today it is August 24th, 2023. I'm walking down Crater Rim Drive. It's been closed since 2008. Walking out to the edge of Kilauea. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a prism starting, like the beginning of a real thick rainbow. Right there. Cool. Yeah. Now, the reason I decided to come out here today is because of the increased earthquake swarm. Wow, is that prism showing? Oh! Can you see the other end of the rainbow? Not yet because of the trees. Wow. Oh, wow. I hope it's showing. It's not that it's just barely. And the reason I chose to come out to this side is because the other side, it's all rainy and misty. So I'm not sure if that's gonna catch up over here. We'll find out soon enough. Now I bet you can see part of the rainbow. Spectacular. I'm across the street from Kanakakoi. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful. Woo! There's some instruments right there. Cool. That's pretty neat. I don't remember ever seeing that white. And then the collapsed road. And down here is another set of instruments. Looks like a cooler. Okay, well, the rain has moved in, so I'll start making my way back. It's still an amazing view out here. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Do appreciate it. Remember, I am a tour guide if anyone is interested in exploring Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. I would love to show you around. Aloha.